Let's take a look at how to add media such as a video to a Flipchart page. Once you have the video onto the page, it's really handy because if you are playing the playing the video, you can click the camera button and it will take a screenshot of the video as it's playing, and then you can use those images later for a sort and have your students put them in order or do different things with the images that you collect there. Super handy, easy to do. So what we're going to do to get started, I've got my blank page with my header on it already. I'm going to go to a copyright friendly source to get my video. In this case, I'm using Discovery Education, and I've already pulled up the video segment that I want to use. If I click on the video segment, down at the bottom in the right hand corner here, I've got the option to download. From here I can choose high or low video quality. Probably you're going to go low because you want your Flipchart to be able to save quickly and easily. So I can save that to my desktop, and I've actually already downloaded it before. So it's downloading again really quickly. And once I've got it downloaded, I can bring it into ActivInspire just by going to Insert and Media. Once I navigate to my desktop where I have it saved, I'm going to pull in the video. Here it is, and I just hit open, and it's going to bring it in. Because I'm in presentation mode, it started playing right away. If I want to move it around my page, I can go to design mode and select the media. And then I do need to use this little move tool in the marquee handles. It's all the way on the right side on this particular video. And I can move it over and set it into place. You don't need to lock it or anything because as soon as you're in presentation mode, it's going to, all of the tools down here at the bottom will work for you. Now I want to add some space down here at the bottom where my students can write what they know, want to know, and learn. So to do that, I'm going to add a shape. I'm going to use a rectangle shape, and I want to make that kind of a lighter color so that when my students write on top of it, we can see what they write. So I'm going to choose my color, and even if it comes in a funky color, I can use my fill tool. So here's my paint bucket or fill tool, and I can choose the color that I want. And I can fill it in with my fill tool. And I need to lock that in place. So to do that, I'm going to get my select tool and right click on my shape and choose locked. Then I can add some text just by clicking the T or text tool. And I'm going to just type in my K, my W, and my L. I'm not even going to worry about those being lined up because if I get my select tool here and I select all three of those letters and I right click on them, I can go to, let's see, I have to right click actually on the actual letter. I can right click and go to align, and I want them to be aligned in the center. So if I do that, it automatically lines them all up. And then I can also right click again right on the letter and lock those letters down so that they don't move anymore. Now I need just some tools to add just to make my Flipchart a little bit more friendly, especially for younger students. And if I go to View and Browsers, and I go to the Action Browser, which is the sixth one from the left, I've got the drag and drop tab selected. I can drag and drop my select tool, my pen tool, my eraser tool, my page reset tool onto that Flipchart page. The reason I'm dragging them over to the side here is because I've got some things on this page, and if you drag one of these drag and drop tools onto an object that already exists on the page, sometimes it turns that object into a button, and you don't want to do that. So then I can X out, and now if I go to design mode, over in the top right hand corner, I clicked my presentation mode to turn it into design mode, which is orange. Now I can drag those buttons onto my page and as soon as I go to presentation mode, they will work. So now I'm ready to write down whatever it is that I want to write. As soon as I file and save my page, then I am good to go.